Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video, we want to learn about Dart. And this video, we learn about environment setup and project structure, core syntax and variable, operators and logic, control flow, loops, function, OOP, null safety, collection, and last, synchronous about programming. And now, so we can just let's get started. For the first, we put the environment setup and project structure. How to install the Dart is you can find in the your browser Dart archive. Go here and wait. Okay, and you can find the SDK. Download the SDK because if you wanna use the Dart, you have to just wait. SDK archive. Okay, ini you can download 3.10.7 version on Windows if you use Windows, or if you use Linux or Mac OS, you can find in here. So if you already download, you can go into your file and wait. Okay. Wait for a moment, guys. Here I have this. If you already download your SDK, just extract them and put the SDK wherever you want. And this is mine. Go to the Dart SDK and put in here. After that, you can go to bin and go to the Dart SDK and copy the path. After that, open the env in your device. Go to the environment variable, go in the path, edit, and if you can see, I have a wait. Okay, now in here. In here, okay. Go to the bin, copy your path. After that, go to the environment, edit the system environment variable. Go to the environment variable, put the edit in the system variable, edit. Don't forget to put the path here, path, edit, and create new. After create new, paste the path, and okay, just because I have one in here, so okay, and okay. After that, all done, and you can use your Dart project. Okay, wait, open your text editor. Okay, how to go in your Dart project is just open something, whatever you want. For example, I use this Flutter. No. We go to the document, you go to the code, and after that, go to here and put the cmd command prompt. Okay, this is the view of command prompt, and type this Dart create, name the Dart project. I want to put Dart learn and enter. Wait until done, and your project is already in here. Just put open and go to the command prompt in your file Dart and open your text editor, and this is your Dart project. We go to the bin and we learn in here in the Dart learn. Okay, and now setup and project structure. Okay, how to run the project is just simple. Open the terminal and put the Dart run in the name of file like Dart2 or gitignore or bin, or if you want easy, just go to the cd bin, go to bin file. Okay, you can see here, and Dart run, find the folder, Dart learn, Dart, enter, and you can see the hello world 42 in here. Okay, or most easily is just Control Shift Y, debug console, and F5. As you can see, we have the hello world 42, and if you wanna run again, just click the F5 and F5. Okay, that's all for the setup and project structure. And now we go to the core syntax and variable. Core syntax and variable. Dart. This chapter is introduce the basic building block, of the Dart programming language, include how to write code and use variable and work with data types. Thus, okay, let's get started from hello world. Of course, we just start all the thing with hello world. Okay, you can delete all this, and first this is you can delete and make a new file. Oh, what are you just doing? Okay, sorry, delete and go to the bin and put the new file. We can just say hello world dot dart and this. Okay, for the first, we in that every program start from the main function, just like void main, and open this and wait, let me just turn off the AI for a moment. Okay, void main and print hello world, just like this. Wait, okay, again print hello world, and put the here. Okay, first the main is the entry point of the program, and the print is displays output to the console, and this is the hello world is the string value. You can see type is string. So if you run Control Shift and F5, you can see the hello world. You can change the text in here, hello rapid, like this, and F5 again. You can see the hello rapid. All this for the hello world. And now we can go to the comment. Okay, for example, I have the this is a single line comment. This is the comment, guys. Comment are used to explain code and are ignored by the program, so the program is not to be able to read this because we have a garis miring in here. Okay, so if you put the comment in here and comment at the end at the end of the line. So we have two different comment. First like this, and second is just like this. Yeah, you can just type anything, long text, lorem ipsum set and anything what you want, and the program is not able to read this comment. Okay, just that simple about the comment, not that hard. And now we can go to the statement and expression. What is statement and expression? Statement is statement or introduction introduction that perform an action, like print hello world. Okay, right here you have a hello in integer. Integer is number equal 10, and the expression is a piece of code that uh, evaluate to a value, like mm, like maybe just like 10 plus 5 and number like this is an expression. Okay, for example, we have to delete all this and put the okay. For example, we can just name a new file in the bin, new file, and just statement dot dart like this, and put the void main, and we can print integer result equal 10 plus 5. Okay, we put the comment. This is an expression, and now we print the result. Don't forget about dot comma, and this is the statement. That's all. If you print and put the 510, we can F5, we can see the 15 here. 10 plus 5 is 50. Okay, now we go to the variable. Now make a new file and variable dot type. Okay, variable has mutable variables. That means can be changed. Okay, void main. For example, in here, variable for name is okay, and the name equal Alex. Okay, and now we put the integer age equal 20, I think 90, and age equal 21 like this, and now print name and print age. Okay, if you see in here, we have a variable name and the name is Rapip, but this is we change the variable, we change the variable to Alex, and this is we have an integer age is 90, we change age to 21. if we see again, we have a Alex and 21. So the variable is can be changed. Okay, that is the simple thing of variable. Now we learn about immutable variable. What is immutable variable? Immutable variable dot dot. Okay, the immutable variable. The immutable variable is reversed from mutable variable. You can say this mutable variable, and this is immutable variable. If the mutable variable can be changed, the immutable variable cannot be changed. Just that simple. We can just try the immutable variable using the final. This is final. For example, birth year. This is the birth year is 204. And now encodings pi equal 3.50. This is pi, okay? You know pi. Alright. The birth year is 205 and the pi is 3.50. If we can birth year equal 2005, and this is error because the final cannot be changed. That's simple. And for example, p is 3.50. That error 2. You can change the final because immutable variable cannot be changed. Okay, final is value on once at runtime. Const value in is fixed at compile time, just like that. Now we go to the naming convention. What is naming convention? I don't know. Naming convention. This. Okay, wait. We can comment this thing. Don't forget to print the birth year. Print the pi. Okay. Back to naming convention. Naming convention. The symbol of naming convention is the deal of the role play about how to give the name for elements in the code, like variable, function, class, or file. This is for 3 things, like okay. For example, I have void main in here. Void main. And I have integer total p. Right. The p is big, so this is camel case. Camel case is a capital after one word, like in the price we have a capital P in here, and example 2 I have a string user name. This is the camel case. So it's not the camel case like integer have a big total and big p rise. This is not a camel case, not recommended, because we have a rule, we have a deal in the Dart stuff. But if you want to still use this, use this. That's not uh not a problem, but we we have a rule. So that's all for naming convention. Now we go to the type safety. What is type safety? That enforce type safety, meaning a variable cannot be assigned a value of a different type. Okay, we just try in here because I don't wanna make out some file again. You can make some file if you want. Void main I have integer number in here and equal the value is 10. The value is 10 and this is a type safety. If you see this is integer, so you have to put in here integer 2 because you can put the 10 and that will be error because it's not integer, except you use the what is called string string, but still string have to this so that will not be error. So you have to put integer to integer. Okay, number 10. Error. Okay, now we have a data type, basic data type. Okay, I have a, we can data type dot. Okay, void main and I have a integer number I have double for decimal like 3.5 to 3.5 and I have a num for a flexible number, just pass number in here and equal like 5 can be integer or double. If you put 5.2 it's not error too because you can put anything integer or double in here. And we have a boolean is logged in like true or false, true or false. We have a string text in here equal, the text is like hello dot. That's all. Print number 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. We have a decimal, we have a flexible number, we have a is logged in, we have a text, and if you run you can see like 10 3.5 5 true and hello the text. And we have a types conversation too, the type conversation like, okay, we just can do this thing like this. This is a data type. The data type, this is, oh no, this is basic data type, and this is a type conversation. So I have integer age equal 20 and string age text equal age dot to string like this, and now print the age text. It will be 20, but the type is integer. So for the first, it's integer, right? Integer. Now if we change the age to string, now the 20 is not integer anymore but the string. Okay, for a moment we can just comment all of this and use this only, and F5. This is 20, but this is not integer but string. Okay, this is type conversation. Now we have a casting. Casting is, okay, we can just comment this and focus to the casting. Casting is like now value equal 10 and integer of value integer equal value as integer, and print value integer. For the first, the num is 10 and we change the value to integer. This is I know this is integer, but num can be double, isn't it? So we have to casting as integer in here. So the 10 is absolute integer. Now we have a string operation. Create new file, string operation data, and wait, okay, we have a concatenation in here. For the first, we have a string first hello and string second dot, and print first it's empty and plus it's second. So if we run, okay, we focus first. So I wanna comment all of this, and then okay, we have a hello dot, but this is space. What if we just delete this? What will be happen? So it will be happen like this. This is not have a space in it. So next we have a, wait, we can we have a string interpolation. We have a string name is babe and an integer is 20. Print my name is name and I am age years old. This is the string interpolation, so you can put the string in the string maybe like that. So if you run, you can see my name is babe and I am 20 years old, like that. And we have a multi-string line. What is multi-string line? Multi-string line is just like we can put many line in one what is called, I don't know, I forget, like that. So if you run again, and you can see line 1, line 2, line 3. This is a simple of multi multi-line string. Now we have a string method in here, string word dot programming, and print word to uppercase, print word to lowercase. So if we run, you can see this is all uppercase and all this lowercase. That's simple about string operation. Okay, we have a, oh wait, bruh. No. Okay, well done. So this is all for about the core syntax and variable. Now we go to the operator and logic. Okay, let's go. For example, I have a core syntax and variable. Now let's make a new folder. The name call is like operators, and logic. Okay, we can focus for the operator and logic. In operator and logic, we have a arithmetic operation dot like this. In the arithmetic operation, wait, is in lowercase with, okay, wait, we can use uppercase in here. It's still okay, whatever. Okay, done. And in the arithmetic operation of we have a counting number like plus min times plus min times, I forget, wait, okay, plus min times or multiplication, we have a divided by or division, and we have a equals. So okay, we have a case in here. For example, we have an integer price. It's 10,000, and integer quantity is 3 maybe. Okay, and now we have an integer total is price times quantity, and print the total. That's all. And if we run, we can see that 30,000, because 10 times 3 is 30, yeah. And another example, I have a integer participant equal 25, and integer group size is 4, and integer group is participant. We have a group size in here. This is divided by or division, and print group. And if we run, we can find 6, because 25 divided by 4 is 6. This is about a simple case. Now we have a boolean logic. It means have a false and true, like this, and so many in here. Okay, let me show you. We have a here, it's mean equal to, and we have a this, it's mean not equal to, and we have a wait, let me clear this. Okay, we have this, it's mean like greater than, and we have this, it's less than, and we have this greater than equal to, and we have this less than or equal to. This is about the Boolean logic. That's all about operator and logic. And now we can continue to the control flow. I'm sorry, it's not enough. We have a case in here about the Boolean logic. It's mean like integer age equal t, and bool is allowed equal h, it's greater than equal to 70, and print is allowed. Okay, for the first, let me turn off this, and if you run, it will be true because the h is greater than equal to. What if we change this to 7? And that will be false because it's not greater than equal to. That's all. Only that. Nothing much. Now we have a logical operator. It will be used for a combine combine the condition, more than one. We have an and a not. This is and this is no. For example, I have a condition like this. Integer h20 while hash ticket is true if h greater than equal to 18 and hash ticket print boleh masuk, atau you can comment like that. And if we run, we can see this thing. And I have another case about not. This, if boolean is admin false and is owner is true, if is admin or is owner print given access like this, and if we run, give an access because we have one of this, and it's not like this, not this. Okay. And I'm sorry, and or not like this. Let's go. And now, for example, about not, we have a boolean in here, boolean loading, and we print about data already used. Like that, and okay. And if we run again, I can see data already used because the boolean is loading is false. But if this true, it will be yeah, like that. Okay, that's all about operation and logic. Now we have a go to the control flow. Now, what is control flow? Control flow is how to control the flow execution program, where is we run the code, when and what uh, without control flow program is just running from up and down, and if we use control flow we can change from down to up. Like not that thing, but okay, control flow. And now we put the new file. It's like conditionals dot, dot. And the structure is like this. If you want to see, we have a if condition. If we run this condition is true, if we run this condition will be true, that will be change. But if not that true, we go to the down, and if it's not true again, we go down again. It will be run if all condition is false. For example, we have a like this void main integer score. The score is 75. If score bigger than 75, bigger or less than 75, not less, bigger or equal to 85, print grade A. But if not big or equal to 85, okay, like this. If score is 85, print grade A. But if score is 70, 70, print grade B. But score is 60, grade C. And if not all of this, print not accepts. Try again, maybe. Try again. Now we run, and I have a grade B because my score is 75. Big than 70. But what if I put 90 in here? So if you can see, the grade A will be small. Or we have a 10 and try again like that. Now we have a ternary O. But we have a condition that like this condition. This is the version of if else, but more conscious. I have a example in here. We have a void main bool is logged in is true. The string message is logged in. Welcome back. But if false, that will be please login. For example, I have there. We have a welcome back. But if it's not true or false, it will be please login. That's simple. And now we have a switch statement. Oh my god, I forget. Switch statement I have a menu application. This is integer menu 2. Case 1 is home, case 2 is profile, case 3 is setting, and default is menu is not found. If you put 0 in here, that will be menu tidak ditemukan. Atau, or if we put 1 and see home like this, we have a break and default. And now we have a enumerated types dot dart like this, and I have a example. Okay, let me explain. Enum is used to make a choice for a value for no. Enum are used to create a limited selection of values. They're safer and cleaner than using integer or string like that. For example, I have this void main. That's all enum, but wait. Okay, don't forget to put enum in up there in here like this. And now we have a enum option is home, profile, and setting. And if we menu option selected the menu option profile, it's like you can see in here. If we run, oh, okay, like this. Anything. So this is the enumerated types. So you can use enum in here and use the menu option like this, and that's all. Now, and the last, we have a variable scope dot. The variable scope is for searching where is the variable can access. Yes. If we see this, void main if true, integer x is 10, print x. And if we print again, it will be error because x is not undefined. Yeah, the x is not undefined from the scope like this, so it will be error. X only live in the bracket like this. After go out from this block, the variable is missing. The true scope is like this. Okay, we have a cube and integer result. If true, result is 10, print result. Okay, this is our example. this is the wrong example. You can see the different. So uh, that's all for control flow. See you next video about loop function, OOP and no safety collection, and asynchronous programming. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.